Hello everyone, welcome to Scholastic. So today I'm going to be introducing you to a computing subject. So it's about Python, which is the main programming language done in schools. So here's what I'm going to be using. This one's called Phony, but you can download whatever one you want to at home. Let's start off with some of the basics. So say for example, if you wanted to get something to appear on the screen or just here, then what you do is you type print and you can't just type in. So say for example if I wanted to type print Scholastic, then it won't work. It will show an error screen. So you can't just do that. What you have to do is put it in quotes like this. So now when I press this, what it does is it should print Scholastic. Okay. So some other things. So like say for example, if I wanted to make, for example, something where I could just store something, say I could say food, or I could make it anything. So I could make it number equals, and I can make that number whatever I want. So now I can use that somewhere. Whenever I say number 2 equals 30, and now I could say print number plus number 2, and then we'll do 20 plus 30 on here, and I'll give 50, which is correct. So if you want to subtract anything, instead use the minus button. So now 20 minus 30 is negative 10. However, when it comes to multiplying and dividing, you have to use the asterisk symbol, which should be above the number 8, and you get 600. You can divide, and this will give you this. So that is how you do not basic functions on there. Another thing you can do is you can set it equal to a string. So that's basically, when I put some stuff in quotes. So say for example I could make this word, or words for that matter. Now I can make this are cool. So if I type number plus number 2, that should print words are cool. Another way you could do this is by using the comma. So here you get words are cool. Now, say if you're like, okay, let's test this out. So say what if instead I'm like, okay, so I'm going to put 45 there. And so say if you're testing it out with plus, you can't just do that, because you can't just like put a string with a number. If you have to do that, then you have to use the comma. So now it will print word 45. So that is how you do basic things on Python. Remember to like and subscribe, and